Hello everyone, my name is Peng Yang. I'm coming from China, and right now I study in the obstetrics and gynecology department of Nagoya University. So basically, I study the cancers of women. Recently, AlphaGo is a really hot topic, so I'm very interested in the artificial intelligence, especially in the medical field. So I joined in this competition. In the development of medicine, previously, no one can imagine that surgery could be performed on our human bodies. But right now, it turned out that to be in the Da Vinci surgery system, we give our hands to the robot to perform surgery in order to be more accurate. And I believe in the near future, with the smartness of AI, it will take the charge of our surgeons and doctors. That will be very beneficial for both of the patients and the medical field. So I'm really looking forward to joining the final competition. I'm very looking forward to sharing more ideas about AI with you guys. Thank you so much.